Got a PHL file? That's a project from Pro Home and Landscape Design software. Your entire home design blueprint stored in one file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you reopen your project and resolve any access issues. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading PHL file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. A PHL file is a project file created by Pro Home and Landscape Design, a home and garden design application. It stores 3D home layout data, including room dimensions, wall placement, furniture positioning, landscaping elements, and material selections for residential design projects. PHL files follow Pro Home and Landscape Design's proprietary project format, storing 3D spatial data, object placement coordinates, material assignments, and terrain modeling data. The binary or XML-based format is specific to the application and is not compatible with standard CAD formats. The tool most commonly used for creating PHL files is Pro Home and Landscape Design by Encore Software, LLC. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows offers only minimal rendering, so complete inspection requires proper modeling applications. Open the menu by right-clicking your PHL file and choosing Open With. Test Pro Home and Landscape Design if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the PHL file differently. If your PHL file will not open yet, do not panic. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, open with Pro Home and Landscape Design. PHL files are designed to be opened with Pro Home and Landscape Design software. Install the application from the original disk or download from the publisher's website. Use File. Open to load the PHL project file and access your home design layout in the full 3D editor. Next, check software version compatibility. If the application fails to open the PHL file, verify the file was created in a compatible version of the software. Older PHL files may require an earlier version of Pro Home and Landscape Design. Check the application's release notes for format compatibility information between versions. Finally, export to standard CAD format. If the application is available but the file won't open, try using a compatible home design application such as Chief Architect or Home Designer. Alternatively, contact the software publisher for a conversion utility that exports PHL project data to a more standard format like DXF or SKP. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.